Japanese trees raid. Please go to sub 2, please. Suzumani face, where are you? I need my FS.
Zuzuman.
Ano, panis.
Oh my God.
Hindi na lang pala.
Ayan. Sinasabi ko sa inyo.
Wala pa naman ako sinasabi, gago.
I-publish na.
Si Pomo talaga yung nagsimula.
Yung alin?
Where's the place?
Yung sinasabi nila.
Who is this? IGX.
Guys, English daw.
Okay. Oo nga.
1 minute, guys. 51 seconds.
Okay.
40 seconds.
Let's go.
Party second wave. Ayan.
Second wave party. Salita na si York, English daw.
English daw, York.
Mountain, clear attackers and then move to spawn, okay?
G.
Raid tuloy. York, we need your command in Discord. Command us in English.
Hold.
Naka-antay-basag na kayo.
Okay, go. Second wave, pass off.
Sunlock.
Oh my God, ano ko?
We're still fighting for Moon. Go inside Moon. Hindi natin makuha.
No, I can hear your galit, boy.
Oh, that's ours. That's ours.
Guys,
That's
we're
ours.
orange, guys. We're
Oo nga.
orange.
Okay, sorry.
Ate Fix, ikaw bahala kay ano.
Lower right side, still a lot of star members. Lots of chicken.
Ubos na.
Ubus, pati pang ubus.
Move up to spawn and some help me dev sun.
PvP outside.
PvP
Go
outside
inside.
until change.
Go inside. Sa loob na ako.
Go inside,
Dami nila.
Helping sun.
Mark, start.
Too late for sun.
Okay.
Star.
Yeah, we can fight for
Respawn in moon and then help in star. Respawn in moon and then help in star.
Sa atin na
Guys,
start.
remember, we always have moon spawn, okay?
Lagi, Pomo, naka-auto aspect pa ata.
Sorry.
PvP outside moon. Don't enter yet. Wait for color change.
Pasok.
Okay, go.
Sa loob na ako.
Fight inside the tablet, guys. Don't let them lock it down.
Ano tayo ka sa...
Nakuha niya.
Oh no, they locked it down.
Dead zone?
It's okay. Move out to moon. Go to sun. Sun is open.
Ulit ako. Daming...
No one on sun. I'm the only one here.
Sorry, Panda. I got kicked out of the game.
And Eugenus is here also.
Let's go.
Okay, cute.
Punta na lang ako ng Star.
Whale team defend star and then after star lock, let's all push moon.
Oh, sorry.
Matitake na yung Star. Moon na lang.
Star is lock. Let's go take moon.
Tara.
I'm at star.
People from star coming in. From the right side.
They go to...
Sige, pasok.
Nasa loob pa ako. Dami nila, gagi.
Ang dami nila.
Are we getting overwhelmed? No, we can push.
Sige, naubos
Kaya.
Give sun. Let's all defend moon.
Aray ko.
Pumatay ako?
Pumatay sa akin.
Ano yun? May yung zillion kung ano yun.
Nice. Good.
Wait lang.
Okay. Too many wande.
Nice, thank you, Mark.
Nice
Okay,
one.
everything's locked, everything's locked.
Wow,
Sun is
Ayun.
locked. Don't push Sun yet. Do not push Sun. Do not push Sun.
Patay
It's
din
locked.
ako,
It's
Prima.
locked anyway.
Naikutan ako.
Out. Time out.
It's John Lloyd. John Lloyded.
They're walking towards Star, ah. They're walking towards Star. I think they're regrouping towards Star. Empty. Medium Star. Endless Star.
Okay.
Copy.
Panda, we stay on Moon.
Hindi ako mga galaw.
Tara
Move
pa.
up to spawn.
There's so many Thornies.
Na-oblit ko ah.
Yung muna natin, ah.
Pasok na.
Saan ba
Yung
yung
Moon.
Nabli na
Moon?
Teka, hindi ako makaskill.
We're trying to defend Moon. Sige, habang tintek yung Sun.
Dami.
Pwede na mag-PvP outside Moon.
Star is locked. Star is locked. Move out of Star. Go back to Moon and Sun.
Hindi
Sun
ako
is
galaw.
locked. Defend on Moon only.
Sobrang dami, gago.
Dami! Ah, shit.
Kaya na muna dyan.
Ayun,
We're leading,
kaya.
guys. We're leading.
45 minutes before mobs.
45 seconds.
There's so
till
many
spawn ng
Thorny
mob.
backdash.
Patay ako ng magic doram, gago.
So, sobrang walang AMDF, no?
Ako, nahila na naman ako. Oh, tama.
They're taking
Star,
Sun.
Defend Sun. Defend Sun.
Si Dea, si Dea.
Moon
Si Dea,
invasion
mas
incoming.
protect si Dea. Oh,
Huwag mo
wala na.
ako unahin mo.
From Star.
Hindi ko siya inuna. Ikaw inuna ko siya.
I need people here on Sun. I need people here on Sun. Sabu is here.
Gagi.
Dito na kami ni Endless. Ay, hindi abot.
Hindi ako makabot.
I'll go help.
Mobs.
Sabu taking mobs on Sun. I cannot contest. Take
Dito
mobs on
ako.
Star
Wala
and
na ako.
Moon, please.
Shit, patay ako? Sakit?
Dami.
Lumamang sila.
Sakit.
There's one in Moon.
Nasa star yung iba nila.
Sabu is on Sun side, so let's go take Star.
Kagi nag-ano?
Nice.
Wiz party responding on Star.
Yung muna natin, ah. Empty, pasok ko.
Stand by on Moon.
Moon,
Enter Moon,
okay.
enter Moon.
Sige, wait lang.
Drop Obli, drop
Dami
Obli.
nila.
Ang dami. Ang dami shit.
Patay ako, gagi.
Ang dami shit. Ang dami.
Okay lang yung take yung dalawang sides.
Let's regroup at Moon. We got both sides. Let's regroup at Moon. Everyone spawn on Moon, please. Slow push. It's locked anyway.
Getting picked off na.
I think it's gonna open anytime soon. So let's go push Moon. We need to always secure Moon so that we can set our positions on Baron later.
Pasok lahat sa Moon.
Sino prima?
Enter Moon. And then we're going to defend
Like-
Sun later after.
Sun. Okay.
Sun is
On the way na
slower.
ako sa Sun.
They're taking Sun slower eh.
Ay,
Okay. Tara, pasok na. Pasok na Sun, ha?
Aray ko.
Dito sa loob.
Pumunta na sila Moon.
Nice,
Galing
nice.
Star.
Okay, can.
We're taking Star. Ice Moon.
Go Sun.
Saan tayo?
Galing silang ano,
They're
Star.
going to take. They're coming from Star, so it's gonna take them a while. Let's lock it down. Chabu is already here.
Nice one. Move out.
Nice one. Disperse. Disengage.
Sibat na, may parak.
Style.
Go to Star, but keep an eye out on Moon because they might push Moon. Moon is open.
They're taking Moon na.
Agago.
Sabu is on Moon, ah.
Take naman sila.
Sige. Sige, dito ako sa labas ng Moon.
Alapag ako
Pasok.
na.
Ay,
Oblit.
gagi na ito.
Pasok. Nahinto, gagi. Ayan, pasok
Ayan,
na.
pasok.
Moon.
Sa loob ako.
Enter Moon.
Gago, dami nila.
Go, guys.
Dami gagi.
They're going to lock. No,
Nice. Hindi, we can do it.
Run.
Need more people.
Ano ako?
Laban po.
Guys,
Gagi,
fight
may
tayo.
Laban
na.
po, boss.
May nandilikod. Prima.
Gago mo ng lilikod. Hindi.
Pinang
Tang RG lang.
Saan ba?
Sige lang. May na.
Nice one,
Laban
Nice one, lock.
po.
John Lloyd,
Go to Sun.
Go.
Tara.
John Lloyded.
Moon is John Lloyd.
Munis dyan. Ang ilang command yan. Munis dyan.
What the fuck?
Moon is knowledge sa
What a
inyo.
reference, ah.
Gago.
I don't. I did not get the reference.
If you did not get the reference, good for you.
Okay, taking moon,
Go
taking
back
moon.
to Moon.
PvP outside.
Wait, the
hindi nila
color
nakuha.
change.
Wala na, may pumasok na eh.
No, it's too early for us. You didn't
Kaya
wait
nga.
for color change.
PvP outside.
Wait
Keep an eye out. Call out for Chabu, ah. Call out for Chabu. I don't see child. Milo,
Ayan,
Martin.
Pasok na, pasok.
Pasok.
Sa loob
Pasok.
ako.
Go inside, fight inside.
Aray ko. Sakit.
Gago, ang sakit.
Gago, nahihila ako papasok sa loob. Potang.
John Lloyded.
Moon is lock.
Defense star. Ay, sun.
Stars lock. Let's go defense sun.
1
And then
minute.
after sun lock, we go to OB. Or you guys can lock it down. I'll go to OB and call you.
Oh, pwede na magano.
Okay.
So much storm.
Wala lang pong.
And
Pwede na, sige. Bigay na yun sa kanila.
Sige yun. Mag-take tayo ng iba.
Let them take the towers. This is more
Right.
important. Is everyone here on OB now? Guys,
Nasa OB
we
ako.
already rallied.
So, nasa OB ako.
Konti natin.
Here.
Coming.
Okay.
Coming OB.
Let
Tangina
them lock
kasi
it
man.
because after Owl Baron, after Owl Baron's probably unlocked already, so it's okay. It's more important for us to take Owl Baron.
Gago, namatay ako.
Nakuha na? Ayun na, Albaron.
Gago, hindi pa.
Diyan na, nakalabas na. Sige, hitting ako.
Mahabol sa akin, hindi ka makapasok.
I'm too far from the
Nice
bar.
one. Sino nakuha? Tayo.
We got it.
Nice.
Nice.
Okay, go back.
Putik.
Let's lock in Star first and then let's push Moon. Lock in Star first.
Sige, dito na ako sa Moon para mapag-contest.
Kasi mga na sa Moon.
Prima, may low life. May low life.
Moon is not locked, ha?
Nice.
Moon is not locked.
Oh, dito ako sa Moon. Lock niyo yung star. Ay, pag-contest na ako.
Okay.
Gagawin nakuha nila yung star. Okay lang.
May sun.
Stars lock. This first.
Nagalit
Moon
silang
is
star.
locked. Let's go to sun. Push to sun. Leave Moon. It's locked. Leave Moon. It's
Nalock
locked.
na yung sun. Ayan.
Ayan, kinukuha.
John Lloyded na.
Nakuha.
Ayun na.
Yan na.
Let's go. Let's John
John
Lloyd.
Lloyded.
John Lloyded.
John Lloyded.
John
I
Lloyd
don't
na san.
understand
wait.
you,
Ang
papi.
Okay, John Lloyded na yung san.
Sun is John Lloyded. Let's go back to Moon.
Outside.
PvP outside.
Nasa Moon na sila.
PvP outside.
Hindi ka. Dami nila. Bukas na nila.
Gawin. Talab na ako.
Drop obli, please.
Tabo
Drop
na dyan
obli.
si Tabo nasa gitna.
Patay ako. Okay.
Sakit.
No, we can fight.
Sige, buhay ako.
Ay, wala si
Aray
Ate.
ko.
Nice.
Miko pala to. Miko.
Shit, patay ako.
Nice one.
Nice one.
Oo, aga pa.
Wait lang.
Yes.
Nice.
Kalma lang, Boss York.
It's not changing though.
Di pa John Lloyded. John Lloyded na pala. Saan ulit ka? Nice one.
Nice.
Guys.
GGWP.
Ikaw pala nakapatay MT, oh.
Oo nga. Nagsusolo yung OB sa gitna eh. Lahat na ipag-PVP sa gilid eh. Oo, di pinapansin.
Napansin, boss.
Yeah.
Good job, everyone.
Lonely siya eh.
Good job.
Well played.
I will explain that later.
Nakabawi na sa star.
We could have done this kind of GL earlier if we merged earlier.
Yun.
Damn.